Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. SFTPGo package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing PPA repo by running the following command. Once the PPA is added, run the next command to reflect on PPA. After that, install SFTPGo by running the next command. Once installed, start and enable this service and check the status of it by running the next commands. Now you can access this via opening your favorite web browser and go into your IP address with the next port. Now just create an admin account and you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.